Hi friends, today we are going to cover up Amazon free services. In Amazon Web Service, we have some free tier options. In free tier options, customers as well as users are little bit confused which all services are free and which all costable. So in this chapter we are going to discuss what all features are free and how we can use and how we can optimize the cost as well. In Amazon Web Service, we have some series of free options available. In free tiers, like some list of free service only are some 60 different services are free. So like S3 and RDS and Cloud, and how we have to use the free tier. If you change the service, then it will be costable. So in this chapter we will discuss more detail about free services. Are segregated in three different flavor. That is, some services are free for a year, some are free for long term, and some are for a trial level. So before discussing more, I'm diving on the chapter. So here, after AWS Amazon.com, you just have to type of free to get more detail about a free service. So in free tier, we already clicked on free, like just need to type of free. So we will get a free tier options. In that, in bottom you can see some services are always free, some are free for 12 months. From opting the service 12 months you are eligible to use that services, and some are free for some period, like a trail version. So we will discuss more about the free tier. Just need to click on the services here. This like a free for 12 month or a feature always free or trail, like that you just have to click you 12 month free. So in 12 month free, some services are available. Let's say compute. In compute, you can able to create instance using EC2. So in EC2 you have 750 hours free services, but in free services we have some conditions. This is only eligible for microservices. If you select macro or other than microservices, will be chargeable, and it is only free for 750 hours in a year. So and in a storage, you have a 5 GB free services which you can use for used in S3 storage, and in RDS you have some limitation, like a 750 hours you can use, and you can create some list of databases service only, like a MySQL, Postgre, Maria, Oracle, or SQL BOL. So in RDS you have some list of services which is free. In micro also you can get some detail, like a free eligible for free, that only you have to select. If you select more than that, it will be costable, and here you have to select default services. If you go beyond that, you have to read the conditions and all. And mobile services, if you want to use mobile for applications and all, it is here you have a 1 million free API. And cloud services, again 1 GB it will provide you. Amazon services providing you 1 GB cloud services and cloud front. All are different services. If you want to get more detail, you just have to click on that. And in EFS is again a storage which is using for sharing the file in Amazon. So here you have a 5 GB for a year, and Amazon Connect 90 GB. So here in Amazon Connect, it is a simple cloud-based contact center where you will get a supports to analyze business more. And so we have seen 12-month features, and here if you click on always free, this is DynamoDB. Dynamo is a no SQL and fast and flexible data which is always free. And here you can use up to 25 GB storage and provisioning read write capacity. And you have more details. If you click on DynamoDB, you will get more details on that. And AWS Lambda, which is used for scripting, automation scripting. So in AWS Amazon SN. So again you can see a lot of features available in always free. So Lambda is for scripting automations, and Dynamo is no SQL, and CloudWatch for monitoring your resource and applications. It will give some alert and it will show you with the dashboards per month. You will get some reports and all. So and Glacier for moving the archive data, and there is a lot of service which is available in always free as well. So and a trial. So this is one which is very important in this chapter. It is the trial version. It will provide some free services for a trial. So in a trial, it is like it will show 250 GB 250 hours free for T2 medium notebooks. And here if you see, this is for the first 2 months, and if you opted the service today, and if you want to try within that 2 months of from opt-in to 2 months, it is a free diet, and you wanted to opt in, then you are not eligible. It is 100% costable. So if you want to use any free trial things, before utilizing, you just need to see when you have checked in. But before using this free trial, you just have to see when you have checked in Amazon Web Services. Here I am showing you some DynamoDB which is which is lifetime free. Here you will get lot of options in Dynamo and what all things are available for a free trial. And let's deep dive before using a free trial account. So hope you enjoy my session, and in this chapter we have discussed what all free tier we have in Amazon and how you can use that free trial account. So hope you have enjoyed my session. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts and any new query, kindly put on a comment box. I will support you immediately. Thank you so much.